Hello kids, welcome back to your favorite channel Kiddo Color Club. Today, we are going to color a beautiful picture with a house, a tree, the sun, clouds, raindrops, and a rainbow. Let's color together and learn the names of colors. Let's start with the house. We'll color the roof red, the walls light yellow, and the door brown. A house gives us shelter, so let's make it look bright and beautiful. Now, let's color the tree. The trunk will be brown, and the leaves green. Remember kids, trees give us oxygen and keep our world alive. Look, a smiling sun in the sky. Let's color it yellow with a touch of orange around it. The sun gives us light and warmth, and that's why it's always cheerful. Now, let's draw soft cotton-like clouds. We'll use white and a touch of light blue. From the clouds, raindrops fall. Each drop will be blue. Rain keeps plants alive, fills rivers, and makes us happy. And here comes the most fun part, the rainbow. Let's color it step by step with 7 colors. Red, orange, green, yellow, sky blue, indigo, violet. Do you know, a rainbow appears when sunlight passes through raindrops and splits into 7 colors. That's why we see a rainbow after the rain. Now let's color the happy boy. His shirt will be blue, his shorts green, and his shoes black. The balloon in his hand will be red. Look, he's enjoying his time under the rainbow. Wow, kids, our picture is now colorful and complete. We have a house, a tree, the sun, clouds, rain, a rainbow, and a happy boy. Today we learned a house gives shelter, trees give us oxygen, the sun gives us light, clouds bring rain, and rain with sunshine makes a rainbow. Remember, kids, just like after the rain comes a rainbow, after hard times comes happiness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your favorite channel, Kiddo Color Club. See you soon with another fun drawing and coloring video.